I'm looking at the Morphy Richards Intellisteam. It's a 600 watt and has a 6.8 litre capacity. So I'm going to open it up, unpack it all, and obviously give it a good clean and try it out. So we get on. Instructions, fairly comprehensive. I shall have a good read through them. I think this comes out in one. And look at it. Box out the way. Certainly well packed. Right. Yes, just have a quick look. Bits in there. As I say, I shall give it a good clean. I'll set it up and give it a test out. Right, it's set up now. I've had a good read through the manual and I think I've got it. Put some vegetables in there, some potatoes and some rice, and let's give it a test. Turn it on. Back, front, and start. Filled the water up, that's max. They all had a wash and put back on. So I shall come back and when hopefully that's all cooked. Right, it's all finished now. I had to give the potatoes a little bit longer, and that was fairly simple. I could just put the front on and give that more time. Let's have a look. That's the back's off now. All seems cooked very well. Rice is cooked fine. Potatoes. New potatoes. There we go. That's done a good job. All nice and tender. Very nice. It goes and keeps it warm for 40 minutes after it's cooked. That's just the countdown from that. And that's it. I'll come back with my review.